In this video, we will be learning about the string functions. The functions that we'll be exploring here are upper, lower, left, and right. Let's jump onto the tableau now. What I'll do is, let's bring the subcategory column over here. And let's keep it into the rows. So many times what happens is that the usage of the practical use of this function is many times the data that you get is not clean, or maybe many times the requirement is you like to change the case in which the data is appearing to. Right now, if I see subcategories are coming in a proper case where the initial alphabet is capital and all remaining are in the lower case. So what we'll be doing with the help of uppercase, the upper function is it converts all the text data into the upper. Let's create that field. So we'll be using the upper function over here, and let's pass in the field name, that is subcategory. What I'll do now is I'll bring the upper function field that we have created. So now if you see, all the text is now coming into the uppercase over. So likewise, if you would like to convert the data into a lowercase, we have a function for that, that is lower. So let's create a new calculate field for that, and we'll call it as lower, and let's use the function subcategory apply. Okay, so I'll bring this new field over here. Now if you see, every data is coming in a lower part over here. This is how we use the upper and lower function. On this next sheet over here, what I'll do is let us bring some order IDs. Now all the order IDs over here, they are a combination of some code and some numerical data over here. Now say suppose from this order ID, my idea is I want to extract the first two characters. Say because that is, say suppose, the code of my country or anything else. So if you want to extract those two characters, and since we want to extract it from the left hand side, so what we can do is we can use the left function over there. So I'll say create calculated field, and we'll use the function left. So left. Now this function takes two parameters. First is the string column that you want to use, from which the number of characters are to be extracted, so that is the order ID. Then you have to put in the second parameter over here, that is the number of characters. That means how many characters do you want to extract from there. Suppose I say 2. Now I'll say apply and OK. So if I bring this field over here, you'll notice from every order ID, the first two characters have been extracted over here. So this left function will only work on the string columns and not on the numerical field. Similar to this, we have another function, that is right. And in this, what I'll be doing is, so this function right will do the exact opposite thing of what left does. So it will extract the number of characters from the right hand side, that is from the last. If I say right, and from the order ID, I want to extract, say, the last 6 characters from here. So I'll put the number of characters as 6, apply and OK. And now I'll bring this field over here, and we can now see the last 6 characters are extracted from the order ID. That is how you use your string function.